Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable camera and microphone access on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting Gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select where it says Security and Privacy. And now you want to scroll down again underneath privacy, select privacy controls, and select permission manager up here at the top. And you can go underneath camera as well as microphone and then select whatever apps you want to either allow or don't allow. So you can basically turn them on or off for any particular apps in here. So again, you can do that for the camera setting as well as if you scroll down and go under microphone, same deal in here. If you want to do it across your entire phone, so basically like the master settings, if you go back to the privacy control window and scroll down, you can do this for camera access as well as microphone access across your whole device by toggling it either on, which in the position it is right now, or toggling it off by clicking inside the oval and it'll gray out. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.